Hi, I'm Austin. Today we'll learn how to change the filters inside your atmosphere sky air treatment system to keep it running at peak performance. The filter replacement indicator light on the display panel is usually green. When the light turns amber, we recommend ordering a new filter. When it turns red, it's time to register and install a replacement filter. To replace the carbon filter, first power off and unplug the unit. Open the atmosphere sky unit by removing the front shield. Remove the pre-filter and HEPA filter. Then, remove the used carbon filter and set it aside. Be sure to unwrap the new filter over a hard surface because carbon dust may stain carpeting. Always change the filters when indicated. Slide in the new carbon filter. There is an angled edge that fits inside the unit on the lower left. Then, reinstall the pre-filter and HEPA filter in the unit. To replace the HEPA filter, first power off and unplug the unit. Remove the front shield from the unit, unlock the latch, and gently remove the pre-filter and HEPA filter. Take off the pre-filter and set it aside. Install the new HEPA filter and lock it in place. You may want to vacuum accumulated dust from the pre-filter before reattaching it to the HEPA filter. After installing a new filter, reattach the front shield to the unit, plug it in and power on. The filter replacement light on the display panel will change from red to green. Now your atmosphere sky air treatment system is ready to continue providing peak performance and air quality in your home.